Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse Frugally, just jumping on real quick to show you my dump finds today. At our dump, we can take and leave whatever we want on the good table, and there were 25 people there picking all kinds of great stuff. So I got there a little late, but I got a bunch of smalls. I got one large item. I'll snap a picture and put it in here. Otherwise, I will show you all the smalls that I picked up, mostly primitive country, some for the 4th of July and some for Christmas. So this will be fun. And I think I'll pop in some staging pictures at the end just to show you what you could do with something like this. Starting with wreaths. I found one of these, has the grapevine on the back and the red berries on the front. One of these pipberry wreaths with the red star, which I may separate these two and use them in two different ways. That's not really my thing. And then just one green Christmassy wreath, which would be a great base to do a flip. And then these, which I love. Two of these, they could be candle rings or they could be wreaths. So I will definitely be doing that, something with that at Christmas time. Then I got this adorable little wooden key, which I think painted up in different colors could be really shabby chic, a different color ribbon or something like that. And then I think these are kind of 4th of July. I thought these were adorable. A little Raggedy Ann and Andy dolls. They've got little wood block bottoms. And they are just so cute, very primitive country, so I'm sure I'll do something with that. And then I love the wooden flag, so that's adorable. I also got a frame that I can just make over. I like the size of this. It's unusual to find something in this size for me, so I'll certainly probably paint it and do something with it in a future video. I got this rusty, crusty, old-looking pizza cutter thing I thought would be a cute display item. I got a little Christmas ornament, very country, in the stocking with the greens and the pipberries, and cute. One of these little wax candle things. I also got 2 Christmas trees, very primitive country. This one was mushed to death. I just had to fluff it all up, and otherwise it looks great. And then this really primitive country one that I love, has the bells hanging off of it, wooden base, so comes in handy. I got a wood, good for display when I post pictures that I don't always want to hang on the wall. This would be a great way to display them. An adorable little, looks like a handmade bird's nest. Isn't it cute? It's like I don't know what it is actually. It could have been an Easter egg, a plastic Easter egg. It's got some little, looks like an acorn top roof and a little moss in there for a bird. That's adorable. A couple pieces of what looks like fruit. I kind of like them for fall because they're, even though they're supposed to resemble, I think, oranges or, you know, some kind of fruit. And then one pear. So those will be great for decor in the fall, just for decorating. And then I got this cute little sign that I will take apart and probably use as maybe like a shadow box. Somebody paid $15 at Hallmark for that. Has the hanging system on it. So yeah, I'll do something else with that. So cute. So that is all that I got. And now, and the wooden piece that I'm gonna pop in, show you a picture of that. That'll be great for my craft room. And other than that, I am gonna show you a few ideas for staging. So thank you for stopping by. I have tons of videos coming up. I already have 5 collabs that I'm in. I've already done 4 of those videos, so stay tuned. At least one a week I think that you'll be seeing of different challenges that I'm in, so stay tuned. And I will see you soon. Let me know if there was one of these items you really liked, and I will see you soon.